Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and like most people in the planner community, I am preparing for 2024. Actually, my thoughts and preparations started well before now, but I have come to some realizations. I'm not sure what I want to do. So, we are still in 2023, and I have kind of kicked these two planners to the curb. This is my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. I've been using a B6 Stalogy, I believe, for the last 3 years. And I almost made it to the end of the year, and that's always my thing. I like to finish things. I like to have the complete set. So when I pulled this out of the drawer for this video, I was like, oh, wow, it's not going to have all the tabs. It's going to have incomplete pages through the end of the year. So the last thing that I did here was the last week in September, and I just decorated. I didn't fill it in. And I feel so bad. I want to finish it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll finish it on my own. Maybe. Or do what I said and just take photos of the spreads that I did do and add them in. I could do that. It's just, I don't know, I want to finish it. But this is, I think, my favorite size, B6 and A5 or half letter. This is my everyday planner, or was. This was my PR and social media planner. And this is a DIY planner using covers from Tulle. This is a Tulle cover. These discs are from the Happy Planner, and the inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. So I didn't do much here either. I decorated. I filled in a little bit, but not much for the month of September. And I didn't do anything for October here. Again, I feel like I didn't even put the October inserts in here. I feel like I should be doing something with this, finishing it for the whole year. I mean, we only have a few more months to go, right? So why not finish it? So I don't know. The only thing that I feel about these, and maybe I feel that way about this B6, is because it has grown so much throughout the year. I feel like it's not compact enough. It's not good for me to carry around. Not that I go anywhere but from here to the other areas of the house, but I just feel like I want it to be more personal, and this does not feel that way. Whereas I've shown this previously, this does, even though it's a jack-o'-lantern, it's something about this, the size, and they're relatively the same size. I mean, but I don't know, this just does not seem very personal. However, I think I will order another B6 Stalogy. If I don't use it for planning in 2024, I can use it for other things, a notebook, whatever the case may be. And maybe I should try using this for my PR and social media planner instead of the disc. That is an idea. Okay, so let's move on to what else is going on with my planning. So, as you know, for the month of October, November, and December, I made a holiday planner using a composition notebook. I've done the initial spreads for October. We've gone over this recently. So this is what they look like. I filled in this week, and I need to be doing the layout for the next week. So I am using my printable inserts. I'm not going to show you the stickers, but I'll be using the printable inserts available to Scrapcraftastic patrons for this. And for now, I think I am doing everything, PR, social media, and everyday here until the end of the year, I think. Okay, and then I always have a supplemental notebook that I use. So, and then I tipped in this printable that's available to channel members. But yeah. So that's what I'm doing with this. So this hopefully will take me through the end of the year. I can add my pictures to the B6 Stalogy and be good. I don't know. So that's where I am now. I mentioned the size of planner that I wanted in a previous video, and someone commented, had I ever thought about the mini happy planner? And I have mini happy planners. I have a few, but I hadn't given it a thought. Let's move this out of the way. I had not given the mini happy planner a thought. I'd forgotten that it is basically B6 size. On one of my recent Shop With Me shopping vlogs, I picked up this happy planner, another happy planner, but the difference is this is my size. I can get behind this. Now I am running into some problems, but we'll get to that in a moment. This one is 12 months, starts January 2024, dashboard layout. And I don't know what else to say about it. That's what the dashboard layout looks like. The retail price is $23.99. I did not pay that. But this is what it looks like. I'm sure you've seen tons of flip throughs of the Happy Planner. And even though I think this would make a good PR and social media planner, I'm thinking I could use this as a catch-all everyday planner. I'm so confused. I don't know. I'll figure it out how I'm going to use everything. Yeah, I'm very confused on what I want to do. But I did want to share that I did get the Happy Planner. This is my problem with the Happy Planner. And I didn't see this in that Walmart planner that I picked up. But for the months, one page is on cardstock, one page is on paper, and the pages are 2 different colors. I don't know if that shows through on camera, but I can see it. This is super white. This has a yellow tone to it. This is like a blue white and a yellow white. 2 different colors. But I mean, that's just minor nitpicky stuff. But I don't like that page is on cardstock. It just throws me off. But I haven't decided. Either this will be everyday planner or social media and PR planner. Or it might be a combination of both. I don't think it could be a combination of both because look at the size of the boxes. But I do have all of this to work with to make what I want out of it. And I think because we have the task list here, the looking ahead, important, and notes on this side, that would make for a good PR and social media planner. Also, I can always add to this, so I could make this a catch-all planner. I'm just worried about the size. The discs, I already know I'm going to have to change. The discs are already basically full. So if I want to add, see how the discs are? If I want to add anything here, I'm going to have to up the disc to classic size. I don't think I want to put expander discs on, but definitely I would have to use classic size. Also, I didn't know if I showed you the cover. This is what this looks like. This was the best looking one that I found. And even though I like this cover, I would prefer to customize it to something that I like. So yeah, I would definitely customize the cover. Okay, because I know these discs aren't going to cut it, I picked up another set of these Happy Planner discs that are the iridescent discs, like what I have on my 2023 DIY planner. So I plan to use those with this. And this was an impulse buy. I bought the black paper. I have black paper. I could have cut my own black paper, but I bought the black paper. It was on sale. I don't remember the sale price, but just in case I want to get artsy and creative, I have it available to use with this. So this is going to be used for something for 2024. Love the size. Now here's the dilemma. Well, let me share this too. I also have these 5x7 poly composition notebooks. So if I just want to take notes, feel the need just to jot things down, I can use these. Now I have this on here 4.5 by 7 because I'm going to be covering this poly, and I'm going to try to use a large sticker. So I'm going to use one of my sticker dashboards to cover it. I just have to make one 4.5 by 7 and see how it works. And if it works Then I'm going to also do the insides because I do not like the poly at all. So, and I haven't been able to find a 5x7 in this orientation that does not have poly covers. So I think in conjunction, see, all of this fits together nicely, right? Here's the thing. I like to have a cover, and I have lots of B6 covers. I have more than this. These are just the ones that I'm bringing over. With this, I have some clear covers coming that I hope will work with this. It fits right in there, just perfect little notebook, okay? The problem is the Happy Planner is bigger than, and I put 4.5 here because I'm allowing for the tape. This is really 5x7, but the Happy Planner is wider than 5x7. Even though the insert size is 4.625, which is a little over 4.5 by 7, so it's not actually 5x7. The covers make it much larger. Now I could just take the covers off and make a smaller cover that would fit into my Moterm. It just barely does not fit, barely, okay? But also the issue will be once I put the larger discs on, even if I get it to fit inside, see it sticks out a little bit now already. And if I put the larger discs on, it's gonna stick out even more. So that's not gonna work. Then I said, well, maybe one of my traveler's notebooks from MLG & Co. would work. And that's a no. That won't slide in either. I would love to be able to use this cover for Christmas. It doesn't stick out too much now, but again, I don't have the classic size disc on it, but that would be cute, okay? But I can't use it. Now I could always make this work by taking a Dollar Tree chopping mat and making a slightly smaller cover. The smaller cover would slide into the pocket, and then this would rest in there like that. But I don't know. That's an option. I may do that before I change the disc. So this one is from Angie Boutique, and it actually works. I have a pink version of this as well, and I also have a shaker cover from Angie Boutique. I think I have something else. That fits in there perfectly. However, it's not wide enough to hold it. So I'm kind of stumped on what I'll be using for a cover. I need a cover for it though. And even though this fits, once I put those classic size discs on, it's going to be even a worse fit. So I don't know if I'm going to end up trying to make my own cover or what I'm going to do. I've tried several other of my MLG & Co. covers. I had that upside down, but it still fits the same. Definitely not going to work with Moterm. And I know Moterm makes a mini Happy Planner disc bound cover. I don't know if it accommodates classic discs though, but they do make one. But I'm not buying that. So then I thought, well, maybe an A5 cover, notebook cover would work. So I have an A5 notebook cover here from MLG & Co. Let's make sure I got it going the right way. Yeah. And now it works, but it's entirely too big for this. So it's going to be sliding around in there. I don't know. I do have other A5 covers. I don't think I have other A5 notebook covers, but I think it could work once I put the larger disc on, but I'm not in the mood to use the pink cover right now, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, I feel like it needs a cover. It's going to need a cover. And I'm going to need something that I can put all of this in together once I get my B6 Stalogy going. Yeah, I think this is going to be the everyday planner. This is what I initially thought, but when I started making the video, I started changing my mind. Everyday planner, and then notes, and the Stalogy would be PR and social media. So I'd still be back in a Stalogy again, but the Stalogy would be different. it would be used for a different purpose. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I just kind of want to go over that and show you that I did get a Happy Planner Mini that I think is going to work. I just need to work out how I'm going to use everything. I do have other 2024 planner ideas on the horizon, and I'll be sharing those with you in the coming weeks. But for now, I'm going to stick with my composition notebook and work out the kinks of the rest of this. I don't know that I want to put my PR and social media in the composition notebook. Let me grab it back over here. I think I just want to do like home stuff in here, not social media, right? That way, so if I do that, I need something to hold me until the end of the year. Do I want to use the Stalogy through the end of the year as PR and social media? This to see how it goes? I could do that. I could do that. I don't know. Let's see. You'll be the first to know when I make a decision. But yeah, in all the videos for this composition notebook will be linked in the iCard up above, by the way. And yeah, so this is the Happy Planner that I picked up, dashboard layout. I'm feeling a little nervous about it, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And I'll work all of this in somehow together. Please let me know your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.